as you mentioned, temperatures 70s and 80s. How nice does it feel? It's fantastic. You are starting to notice the winds picking up a bit. They've been in the kind of 20 to 30 mile per hour range over the last, I'd say, a couple of hours or so, really starting to pick up. 77 is where we sit currently. We're just shy of the record of 81, and it's still possible that we could get there. The winds are going to drive a lot of those temperatures, although considering we're still at 77, not quite sure we'll get to that record for today. Gusts to 31, gusts to 36 for Muncie currently, but farther to the west, this is where the gusts are much stronger. 44 for St. Louis. They're holding there, but some of the strongest gusts have yet to arrive onto this map. That probably won't happen for another several hours. Wind advisories in place. This starts at 5, goes for at least 23 hours until 4 p.m. for tomorrow. High wind warnings to our north, and I mentioned that this is going to be a national story because there is a lot with this system. It encompasses a huge area. There are wind advisories or some type of wind warning from the Mexican border all the way up to the Canadian border, including, look at all of the high wind warnings through much of Texas, where they've had 70 and 80 mile per hour winds over a significant area. Dust storms ongoing, dust and fires ongoing in parts of Oklahoma. There's blizzard warnings for many parts of Minnesota. Again, so this is a huge system. The severe weather aspect of it is really out ahead of that. Now, it is 2 hour west, and that's critical into what we expect to happen here. By the way, I mentioned the high risk for severe weather. These severe weather outlooks posted by the Storm Prediction Center are on a scale of 1 to 5. The red, which is for tonight, is about 4 out of 5, but this 5 out of 5, they've only ever done that 3 times for the next day for tomorrow's outlook. They now have it for the deep south for tomorrow. So it gives you an idea of how strong this system is going to be. Now, it's already starting to initiate. We expect the storms to be strongest into parts of Missouri and Illinois, but by the time we get into the evening and overnight, the storms should be weakening. But how much energy will they have left? I think it's a good, safe bet that we'll at least see some 60 mile per hour wind gusts in parts of the state as that line moves through. And we could even see the possibility of tornadoes as that moves by. Then tomorrow, we're expecting heavy rain in the southern part of the state with maybe even more pop-ups sometime during the afternoon. So it's really 2 rounds that we're expecting. Round 1 is overnight tonight. Round 2 is tomorrow afternoon. This is really the severe concern that we have here. Gusty winds, they'll start those really right now all the way through tomorrow. We could see 40 to 55 mile per hour gusts, but within those thunderstorms, it is certainly possible we could see 60 mile per hour winds or even higher. Overnight as well, there's going to be a chance for a tornado or 2 embedded within that line. We'll keep our eye on it. The flooding threat is mainly going to be in southern Indiana. The 7-day forecast here, we're talking about temperatures dropping once that moves on by into the 40s for Sunday with even a chance for some snow showers, but we warm it right back up by the middle of next week.